up, you guys? Oh my gosh. Hi everyone. So it is just after 4. I think it's like 2 minutes past 4 now. And I'm gonna start cooking. But first, it isn't like the baby just got home. They were out the entire day. They went to go visit a friend of my sister's, but he's home and making a noise. They're moving, I think, you know, this weekend, if not the next one. So yeah, I'm enjoying these little moments, but I'm about to have an effervescent tablet. And then after that, it is International Coffee Day, so it's 4 o'clock. It's a little rebellious. I am really tired, so I don't think it's gonna keep me up like that late. But let's have a cup of coffee. And I think I'm gonna do regular coffee. Let me show you.
But you're not letting me get through to you.
Okay, so I have the tablet dissolving in there. And in the grocery haul that you're gonna see probably after this vlog, we bought these. We used to buy these like religiously, like way back before I even, you know, thought about doing like grocery hauls and stuff. I didn't even know they were a thing back then. But it's the Cafe and Barista coffee, this blue one. I was obsessed. This is the coffee that I was having like 3 cups a day. I don't know if I told you that story. But yeah, this is really good. Well, it was really good back then. I don't know if it's still good, but this is what I'm gonna make, and we can make it together.
Can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do.
Regular coffee, like no jazz, no pizzazz. I could, well, let me taste it first. Maybe I can spritz it up. But happy International Coffee Day. Oh my god, it's so good. Like I said, my good and someone else's good are like really, probably really different, or they could be the same, but you know, everyone has different taste buds. I really enjoy this. It's really yummy. So I'm gonna have this while I cook, and you guys are gonna see what we're making. Actually, I can show you what we're making. So we are making chicken korma today. We are following the recipe on the back of the box to like some extent. Okay, so I'm gonna start cooking now. I really like to prep everything that I need before I actually start cooking because I like it to be like really simple. When I start, I am making it with rice. I was gonna do it with wraps, but we don't have enough wraps, and we completely forgot to get them in tots this morning. Yeah, when we went out this morning, so I am going to make some rice on this side. I have to do all the prep work for the korma before I start cooking. Okay, so I just checked the box and there's not quite that much prep work to do. The only thing that I have to do is chop up the onion, which is gonna take like 2 minutes. The butter chicken, however, did require like grating of tomatoes and all that stuff, but this is chicken korma, so I don't need to do that. So let's actually start cooking.
Trouble in your mind, babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Down, baby.
Now that I'm actually cooking, I really want an English muffin all of a sudden. Not really an English muffin person, but I've seen so many people eating English muffins recently. Like I saw it in Sarah's vlog, I saw it in Desi's story. So everyone's just having English muffins, and I really want one now. Okay, so the chicken is simmering, as you can see. Let me show you actually. There we go. It's simmering away. It needs to simmer for like 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna let that do its thing. The rice is done. What else? I think I want to add maybe some potatoes. I don't know though. I'll see. We'll see. Okay, so while the chicken is simmering, I did add some potatoes. I will show you that now. But I'm saying this morning when I had to wake up early this morning. I had 2 Zoom classes back to back. So during my class, my sister just walked in and she's like, "Hey, I made you a cake." I'm guessing she was craving like chocolate cake early in the morning or something. It's like, "Hey, I made you a cake," because we usually have it like in the evening, maybe if we're watching a movie or if we're like craving it. But she's like, "Hey, I made you a cake. Where do you want me to put it?" And I'm like, "Oh, just leave it on the counter. I'm sure it's really hot, thank you." And now I have a cake in a mug. So I'm thinking, I was really excited. I was really exhausted before I drank that coffee. Now I feel great. So I'm thinking like late night movie, cake in a mug, you know, like indulge while I watch. I did watch last week Friday we had the party, so we didn't watch a movie. We watched it on Saturday. We watched Enola Holmes. I'm not a fan of movies that are based in the past, like history movies, anything that is not based in today's world or the future, I'm not a fan of. But I really liked Enola. Like out of 10, I'd give it an 8. I really liked it. So if you're looking for something to watch, you can watch that. It felt very interactive. Like I was like, "Excuse me," and she looked me dead in the eyes with the same expression that I was giving her, and it was amazing. I love it. So it's a unique style of filming. Not a lot of movies do it like that. So it was a good feeling. I like it. So if you want to watch it, you should definitely give it a go. So as soon as I'm done with the meat, which I should actually go check on right now, I will add the cream. After it's done simmering, I'll add the cream and some salt, taste it, and like, you know, zhuzh it if I need to.
I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I had to mess with it quite a lot, actually. It's kind of spicy. Like, I hope everyone can stomach it with the rice. But yeah, I had to mess with it quite a bit, and because of the flavor from the directions on the box, it's so dull for me. So I had to kind of zhuzh it up, and I had to do the same thing with the last box. So my final verdict is I would prefer to buy the little packets, like the ones that have like actual liquid chicken korma or liquid butter chicken spice mix inside. Those are more flavorful for me. But if you enjoy this taste before, like originally from the box, then that's cool. But I really thoroughly enjoy the liquid packets as opposed to this one that I have to kind of like figure out what am I going to do, because I really was stressing at the end there. It wasn't tasting how I wanted it to, and I had to kind of play around, add some stuff, and I finally have it at my desired taste. So I'm done with it now. I am going to switch it off, and then my sister will dish up a little bit later. So that is it. Hi everyone. So I just switched cameras quickly because my other battery died, but I'm making something to eat because I'm a little bit hungry. It is just, it's 13 minutes past 6. I'm gonna make myself a little sandwich. We have rolls and this other stuff. Let me show you. So we have this janky looking lettuce, watermelon. I've been craving this for months now, and it was out of season, yes. And then my mom popped into the store yesterday or the day before, and they had it, and she got me some. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna have that on the side. Obviously, we have some cheese here, some ham. I'm gonna butter the bread. Oh my gosh, we also have this sauce that makes everything taste better. I swear, the sauce itself is it's nothing to write home about, but it makes everything taste better. So
trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. You're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you.
Okay, so I decided to go against the cheese. This is what my sandwich looks like. It's just lettuce and ham, basically. And I'm gonna have some watermelon on the side. Oh yeah.
I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.
Okay, so this is what I'm having. I'm probably only gonna have one burger because I really wanna have tonight's food. These are the wraps. I think I'm gonna cut these up and put them on the people's plates, and then with a little bit of rice and the chicken korma. Then they can have both. So I just had a bite of this, and I'm telling you, it hit differently. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh.